I have just taken delivery of the new MEATER Pro XL, and this video is going to talk you through some of its new features. So as I unbox the Pro XL, you'll see that this is the new highly anticipated block, or what was known as the block. So 4 probes in one system, so you can cook multiple different pieces of meat at the same time, which for me is amazing. We use these down here at the Cafe Embers all the time because we've got loads of things going on all at once. And this is the tool that you need, so you can monitor everything as it cooks. So one of the first things that really stands out to me about this, which I love, is that we no longer need batteries. At the back here, we've got a USB charging point. So you're never gonna run out of batteries again. I was always running out of batteries before, but now, keep it plugged in, it's always gonna be charged and ready to go. So all of the features of the MEATER 2 have been carried across in the sense that we've got these probes which are now ultra slim. They can take up to 550 degrees heat, so it's really great for searing. The probes are waterproof, so it means you can deep fry with them, you can sous vide with them, and they can go in the dishwasher. And its ultimate feature remains the same as the fact that it's wireless. You know, if you've got 4 probes going into different pieces of meat, you had wires, they're going to be going all over the place and tangled up. Also, this makes it the perfect probe for any rotisserie because it can go around inside the meat and not get tangled up. All right, so let's get the blocks set up. I pre-charged this, knowing that I was going to make this video. So the block's just loading up. It says open app and add device. Power on the MEATER Pro XL and select use Wi-Fi. Pro XL found, continue. Scanning for Wi-Fi networks. Connecting. Wi-Fi connected, boom. Connection complete. As you pull the probes out of the block, they will then register on the app. So this should pop up, there we go. Congratulations, you're ready to go, let's get started. The Pro XL is available to pre-order now at MEATER.com.